All right, welcome everybody to lesson 19.
This is the first I've looked in the mirror today. Sorry, guys.
Oh, it's no problem. How was the preparation for you all?
I didn't think it was too bad.
No.
No.
A little confusing, but
Yeah, I think the most confusing thing for me was like writing out the hypothesis test and like, trying to figure out the wording of it all.
yeah.
Do you guys want to jump right into the group quiz?
Sure.
So for question 3, it'd be the last one, wouldn't it?
Gender and voting preference are independent. Gender and voting preference are not independent.
I put the last one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what you just said, right, Jared?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. The last one then. Is this one the second one? Number of rows.
I think it's number of rows times number of columns. So the last one.
The last one, so minus. Okay.
And I think if I did it right, question 5 should be 3.
I think it's 2.
Yeah, I got 2.
Oh, shoot. How did you get?
Let's see.
Because you guys put it in the chi-square, right? The voting preference? Oh. Oh, that's why. Oh, yeah. I just had another column saved from the last one.
What did you get for number 6?
I put yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
Okay.
I haven't put it into Excel yet.
Oh, yeah. I think that's what it is. Or at least all it's-
So for the requirements, the chi-squared test, could you say that it's normally distributed if it's over 30? Or if it's greater than 30? Because of the central limit theorem, or does that not apply?
I don't know if that applies. Is there requirements in the
Oh, because,
the
yeah,
chapter?
it's just using a simple random sample,
Yeah, and then
not a normally distributed sample.
yeah, and then each
Okay.
expected count must be greater than or equal to 5. And so I think when it says count, it's just each number.
Okay. That makes
That's
sense.
what I think.
What did you get for 7?
16.204.
And for 8, did you get 0.000?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I got too, and I was kind of confused about that.
Well, I know that's been the answer on a couple of tests, like when it asks for the p-value around to 3 decimal places and it's super small.
Right.
So the p is low, you reject the null, and I put there is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender voting preferences are not independent.
That's what I put as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that the first one? Wait.
Yeah. There is
Yeah.
sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent.
Okay, thank you.
Vacuum. For question 10, the numbers are greater than 5, but do we just assume that they are a simple random sample?
I would think so. Yeah, I put true.
Okay. And I have 10 degrees of freedom. Wait, is that, yeah, 10 degrees of freedom. And I got 7.436 for the chi-squared test statistic.
How did you get 10 degrees?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
Dang. I plugged it in, but I could have plugged it in wrong, so I'm going to check really quick.
Yeah, I got 8.
That's what I have too.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. Let's see if this changes things. Okay, I have 8 degrees of freedom and 7.436 for the test statistic.
Okay.
I accidentally put the totals in there as well.
Oh, gotcha.
So yeah, I just like put all the numbers that I saw. And then the p-value is 0.49.
Yeah.
Okay.
What did you get for the test statistic?
7.436.
What did you get?
I just put all the numbers in.
And then that's in the, oh, it just changed for me. Yeah, that was weird. It was showing like 89 something, and I was like, what the? But then I went and tapped it, and it's now at 7 point.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, it's all good.
So the p isn't low, which means we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So does that mean that there is insufficient evidence to suggest that it is not independent?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just double checking.
The second one, right?
Yes.
Sweet.
That wasn't too bad.
We good to submit it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got 100%.
Awesome.
So real quick, did you hear anything back?
Yes. Update on the study. We can start.
Woo-hoo.
So I talked with Brother Palmer, and we do have to remove that question from the survey, just asking if they have ever seen a mental health professional. But other than that, we're good to go, and Brother Milner didn't need anything else submitted.
Cool.
So we're good to start, and there's the collect and describe the data sheet that's in this lesson.
Okay, and I still have the survey saved on my Google thing.
Okay.
I can just delete that one question, and then
If you want to send a link. I don't know if you can text it or if you want to send it through email, but I can start sending that to people and posting it on my Facebook and ask college students to take it.
Yeah, I can do that too.
Yeah. So the two questions that I have are you a male or female? And would you ever meet with a mental health counselor?
Mental health
Professional.
Let me check and see what I did for this study really quick because we have to
probably
do.
have the same
Right.
one you
Yeah.
Right.
So I don't know if I worded it differently, but just make sure that we don't get in trouble for anything.
Right.
Just a second. Okay, the questions are you male or female? Would you consider going to see a mental health professional?
Is that in any of the emails you sent or?
I sent a new one. I started a new chain. I think the subject is final project.
Okay. Is it the attachment or?
Yes.
Okay. And this is geared
And
only towards college students.
yes.
That's all survey.
Yes, that's
Okay.
what we did for our population.
Okay.
And Jody, we signed you up to be the person for collect and describe the data.
Okay.
But in there it said, like, if you want to delegate some of the things to the other team members, you can. So you're just the one who's designated to turn it in when it's due. And I think it's maybe due next weekend.
Yeah, I think it said week 11.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to have all of our data collected by then.
Yeah. I would say maybe have it collected, I don't know, at least by Friday, maybe even Thursday before you meet so we can just discuss what to do.
All right. I'm going to send a link to the survey.
Okay.
Cool.
Do you want me to just send it to the final project email?
Yeah, we can keep everything in there for the project.
Okay. Yeah, I just sent the link. And I'm not sure how it will like bring it up. If it'll bring it to, oh no, it just brought it up as a survey. And I think, so if you guys bring it up, is there a little like pencil in the right corner? Or is that just for mine?
I think that's just for yours.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool. So there's that. And yeah, I think you could just distribute that link that I sent you.
Yeah, just copy and paste it on Facebook or something.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Okay, so Jared, will you be able to see all the results?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
I can also create a spreadsheet from it. But I don't have any responses, so I mean.
Well, my husband just took it. He's in college. And it's a convenient sample, right?
Yeah.
He's sitting right here.
Can we take it? I mean,
I don't think we can because we're the researchers.
Right. I do see his response. 100%
Awesome.
male and no.
He wouldn't?
No.
I didn't see it before you turned it in, so.
tell him he's
Sorry
very
for
naughty.
sharing that. But all right.
Well, that's good. That's honesty, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, and yes for me.
Oh, Jody, do you know what our question is? Or like what we're researching?
No.
Okay, we're gonna see if males or females are more likely to see a mental health professional.
Okay.
So far, I mean, we just have a male, but already he's going the other way. So we'll see how it turns out.
Yeah, and it gives me pie charts. And so,
Those would be great for one of the steps. I'm not sure which one it is, but I know we will need those.
great.
Awesome. Well, is there anything else we need to go over?
So we're posting this on all of our social media.
Yes.
So if we're doing Twitter and
And it's anyone who's college age.
Yeah, okay.
Or any college students.
Cool.
Yeah. Next week is the exam, just so you guys know.
Dang
Oh,
it.
Lesson 20.
Ready?
Ah.
We just had one. Dang it.
Yep.
Maybe this one won't be as bad because I feel like we haven't covered as much new stuff.
Yeah. So if you watched the videos in the lesson,
Yes.
the second video talks about kind of like what equations you'll need for exam 3 or the next
Okay.
exam. And he's like, yeah, you're gonna have to use a lot of equations from the second unit too, so be ready for that. I'm like, oh dang it. But it'll be fine.
We can do it.
All right, cool. Well,
Thank
have a great
you.
weekend, everybody.
Thanks, you too.
So Leah, if I have any
Yeah.
questions, I'll email you. Just
Okay.
make
Sounds
sure I have
good.
Yeah, on the survey. Make
Okay.
sure I have it. Okay, thanks guys.
Oops.
Thank
Yeah.
you. See ya.